Welcome to part 47 of Daily English. Today's situation. Food and restaurants, complaining politely. Excuse me. Example. Excuse me. Could you help me? I think there's a mistake. Example. I think there's a mistake with my order. This isn't what I ordered. Example. This isn't what I ordered. I asked for chicken. My food is cold. Example. My food is cold. Could you heat it up, please? Could you check this, please? Example. Could you check this, please? I think there's a problem. Could you bring the correct dish? Example. Could you bring the correct dish, please? Thank you for fixing it. Example. Thank you for fixing it so quickly. I appreciate your help. Example. I appreciate your help. Everything is perfect now. Everything is fine now. Example. Everything is fine now. Thank you very much. Mini conversation. Customer, excuse me. I think there's a mistake. This isn't what I ordered. Waiter, I'm sorry about that. I'll bring the correct dish right away. Customer, thank you. I appreciate your help. Waiter, you're welcome. Here is your correct order. Customer, perfect. Everything is fine now. Daily tip. When something is wrong at a restaurant, stay calm and be polite. Starting with excuse me and using could you will help you solve the problem respectfully and effectively. Speaking challenge. Imagine the restaurant brings the wrong meal. Politely explain the problem, ask for the correct dish, thank the staff, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 48. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.